My name is Caleb. I am the repair technician here. As you can see, I have a plastic table. It's not the best. I have to hunch over if I want to work on something. It's not good for my back very much. So we're gonna get a new table. We're gonna build it, improve this one. Yeah. The packaging is not that. They could do some work with the foam.
How's it looking?
It's looking pretty good.
That's a lot of pieces.
It is.
And then you have the tabletop right here.
Yeah, it's all good. All right, this is a time lapse of Zach and I constructing the table. It came in 2 boxes. It was very simple to assemble and put together. Just make sure you read the directions. It's very simple, it's nice. It feels very sturdy, it's not cheap. The thing I didn't like is the middle beam that you just seen Zach adjust. It doesn't really have any threaded screw-in parts, so you're screwing with tension. I don't really like that a whole lot. We didn't take a shot of what I mean by that, but it just doesn't thread into it. I'd prefer and suggest a thread right there, but I don't really have any cons with it. The only thing I would appreciate is somewhere to route your cables underneath of the table, like a shroud of some sort. The construct time, it probably took anywhere between 45 minutes to an hour with 2 people. We were kind of just being a little bit extra careful, taking our time reading the directions and stuff, but I'd imagine this would probably take double that if you're just doing it alone, but it's a very nice table. Caleb again. Me and Zach have constructed the desk. It looks great. It's very sleek black. I put the little ToastyBros build mat on here. Looks excellent. It's gonna need a little bit more cable management in the coming days, but we can do that at a later time. I just wanted to give you guys a general overview real fast. Looks really nice. It's comfy. Got the double monitor arm, so it takes up as least room as possible.
Yeah, go ahead, pull it up.
There's this little controller right here, so you can go pretty high with it. This will be really helpful for building because I'm not the tallest necessarily, but I'm also not the shortest, so it kind of helps being able to work on stuff when I'm standing up. I feel like it makes me more alert. But so far it looks really slick. It's really nice. Let me max it out real fast. Let me see how high it can really go. All right, I don't want to go any higher. That's a little crazy. That's a little scary. That's a little scary. I'm gonna start ripping all the cables out. I don't want to.
Oh, yeah. The cable management's a little bit of a mess.
Yeah, it needs some work, but this is just to give you guys a first look. Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot to manage, but just to show you guys a quick overview, this is it.
Heck yeah.
It's great.